Because Congress is not an organization. We know that from inside. We try to make it an organization. It failed. It will never be an organization. Organizations take meetings and they take decisions in meetings and in a proper system. There is consistency in terms of how they handle it. So, Congress doesn't fall within the definition of an organization. It's a project to manage the personal government of President Zuma. That is why.
So that was Floyd Shivambu there throwing a jab at MK Party and saying that is not a political party at all. So it's really surprising to be hearing this coming out of Floyd Shivambu for two main reasons, really. The first reason being that Floyd Shivambu joining MK Party was the best decision ever. That is what he told us. But here he is, saying that MK Party is not a political party. So how come that was the best decision ever? So what that means, is that Floyd lied to us, that it was the best decision ever. He was just caught up in the moment and he had to justify his decision of joining MK Party. And actually joining MK Party was the worst decision ever that he took in his political career. The second reason this is surprising, is that this guy is not moving on. He is continuously talking about MK Party, this, the EFF, this, that. Like there is nothing else to talk about, Instead of focusing on himself and Africa Maibuye, Floyd is continuously attacking, all these other black political parties, especially MK and EFF. It's like he is really hurt, by these guys. Very, very surprising there from Floyd Shivambu. Now the third one that is surprising, is that Floyd Shivambu was the one, was complaining to say Julius Malema never gave us a chance to speak when we were there at the EFF. He was the only one speaking. And now, surprisingly, guess what? He is the only one speaking there at Africa Maibuye. He is not even giving others a chance to be speaking there. I mean, the deputy president, Nolubaba Lomcinga, tried to talk, and she was fired for for trying to speak up. So this is very ironic coming from Floyd Shivambu. But it's not surprising, it is what it is. This is politics, If he doesn't talk about MK and EFF, how is it going to be relevant, So mostly like his relevance, it's coming from out from having to speak about these are the parties. That's how he has to make the headlines. So he's doing what he has to do to stay relevant. So this is definitely, some kind of some dirty strategy being used by Floyd Shivambu to stay relevant here. So it is what it is, So looking at this, from social media and what people are saying out there, it's sort of divided, in terms of Floyd Shivambu's views. Others are saying, what, yeah, Floyd is right, there's been no like elective conference, that has been called for by MK Party to select leadership, this, that, etc. It kind of makes sense looking at it from that lens, but Floyd is slowly losing it, This is the same guy, who was saying that he's now understanding progressive unit politics, there's no need to be talking about like badly about other parties, and he was saying we at MK, when he was still at MK, We at MK, we don't do that. But now here he is, using that same strategy. So analyzing this, you can kind of feel like this guy is out here at Africa Maibuye, Floyd, just for himself and his own stomach, So this is like a career for Floyd, for him to, it's like a means of living, for him, Even Julius Malema at one point, he said, politics is all we know. If I leave politics, what else am I to do? So this is like the same way for Floyd, This is all he knows, You can't expect him, to be this entrepreneur to go out there and start this new entrepreneurial amazing company. Where is he going to get that ability from? That is not who he is. He doesn't have that in his blood. Politics is all he knows. So this is the game that he's playing, playing hot code, turning hot, turning cold, So Floyd did not just say that, about MK Party. He even made a shot at EFF, where he said the newly formed his own party, Africa Maibuye, has reached a stage in 4 months that the EFF should have reached, should have achieved in 8 or 9 years. He kind of has some point, statistically, maybe after 4 months, the EFF had not reached the stage that EFF was at. But what is important, is it's in the long run, are you able to sustain this? Is because we saw it with MK too. What the MK achieved, in less than a year, it's amazing. But the challenge, it is in extrapolating that after 2 years. Will you be able to double up your numbers? Are you able to increase them? Or are you going to remain stagnant? So that's the challenge there for Africa Maibuye and the likes of MK. So Julius Malema responded to this claim by 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 Floyd Shivambu. So he just came in here and was like, what is this guy talking about? It isn't making sense. So that's the response there from Julius Malema to Floyd Shivambu about Africa Maibuye growing faster than EFF. So from my analysis, it doesn't make sense, to be saying that. Come here after 10 years, and tell us that you grew faster than EFF. Because on 10 years, that's when we can really make a proper assessment of whether you are growing fast or slow. It's easy to grow fast in a short period of time, because there's this momentum that you have. But to maintain it after 10 years is the bigger challenge. I'll catch you guys on the next one.